Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the coefficient of fluctuation of energy, coefficient of fluctuation of speed, and flywheel. The coefficient of fluctuation of energy will start from first. Then it is the ratio of maximum fluctuation of energy to the work done per cycle. Mathematically, we can say that the coefficient of fluctuation of energy, which is represented by CE, that is equals to maximum fluctuation of energy divided by work done per cycle. So we have already calculate the maximum fluctuation of energy, and how we can calculate the work done per cycle. We can see here, this is the work done per cycle. We can calculate the work done per cycle with the help of this formula, T mean into theta. And here T mean is equals to mean torque in the turning movement diagram, and the theta angle turned in radian for per revolution, or we can say that per cycle. Theta is equals to 2 pi in case of steam engine or two-stroke IC engine, and theta is equals to 4 pi in case of four-stroke IC engine. And mean torque can be calculated with the help of the formula power is equals to 2 pi nt upon 60, or we can see that T mean is equals to P upon omega. The coefficient of, now second term is the coefficient of fluctuation of a speed, and it is the difference between the maximum and minimum speed during the cycle is called maximum fluctuation of speed. The ratio of maximum fluctuation of speed to the mean speed is called coefficient of fluctuation of speed. And here let n1 and n2 is the maximum and minimum speeds in rpm, and n is the mean speed, is equals to n1 plus n2 by 2. So coefficient of fluctuation of speed according to the definition cs is equals to n1 minus n2 upon n, and in the form of angular velocity omega 1 minus omega 2 upon omega, and in terms of linear velocity v1 minus v2 divided by v. The coefficient of fluctuation of speed is a limiting factor in the design of flywheel. It varies depending upon the nature of service to which the flywheel is employed. Now the last term is flywheel. What is the function of a flywheel? A flywheel used in machines serves as a reservoir which stores energy during the period when the supply of energy is more than the requirement, and it releases it during the period when the requirement of energy is more than the supply. The flywheel controls the speed variations caused by the fluctuation of engine turning movement during each cycle of operation. Now we have to calculate the energy stored in a flywheel. So one of the derivation, we can say that we have to identify the energy stored in a flywheel. This type of the energy, that is the kinetic energy, or we can say that here we have to calculate the maximum fluctuation of energy. A flywheel is shown in the figure, and we have discussed that when the flywheel absorbs the energy, its speed increases, and when it gives off energy, its speed decreases. So now we'll start the derivation. So let m is equals to mass of the flywheel in kg, k radius of gyration of the flywheel in meters, and I is equals to mass moment of inertia, n1 n2 maximum and minimum speeds, omega 1 omega 2 maximum minimum angular speeds, n is equals to mean speed during the cycle in rpm, and omega is equals to mean angular speed during the cycle in radian per second, and cs is equals to coefficient of fluctuation of speed. So we know that the kinetic energy of the flywheel E is equals to half I omega square, and I is equals to mk square. You should know already about the I, mass moment of inertia, that is equals to mk square. And we know that the maximum fluctuation of energy delta E is equals to maximum energy minus minimum energy. So here this is the energy, and the energy speed in this energy, we can see that the mass moment of inertia will not change, because the mass of the flywheel is constant, and radius of gyration is also constant for a particular flywheel, and speed is varies. So according to this, delta E is equals to half I omega 1 square minus half I omega 2 square. So we'll solve this equation, and I comma 1 by 2 I is common, and the remaining part is omega 1 square minus omega 2 square. So open it or expand it to omega a square minus b with the help of a square minus b square. So omega 1 plus omega 2 and omega 1 minus omega 2, and here you can see that this omega 1 plus omega 2 divided by 2, that is equals to mean speed of the engine or flywheel. So this is the mean speed I omega 1 minus omega 2. Here you can divide by the omega and multiplied by the omega, so equation will not change. So this one is omega into omega, that is omega square, and it is also divided by omega. Omega 1 minus omega 2 divided by omega, that is equals to coefficient of fluctuation of speed. That this it represented by Cs. So here you can see that delta E is equals to I omega square Cs. So this is the derivation for calculating the delta E, maximum fluctuation of energy, or we can see that the energy is stored in the flywheel. Thank you very much.